हेलो। आज क्या लेंगे? सिंपल सेंटेंस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंस, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. What happened? Everything is complex in your mind? Yeah, I'm there to clear your doubts today. Yeah, in simple sentence, no conjunction at all. In compound sentence, yes, two sentences are separate and they are joined by some words. Okay? Similarly, complex sentence. क्या हुआ? I know. Let us take some examples so that you can understand easily. Cholo, fast. Let us do. So, we are studying three sentences: simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Okay? Now, in simple sentence, it is very easy to understand because there is no conjunction, no separate sentences are there. Okay? In compound sentence, such type of words are used. Although, though, whenever, when, who, etc. etc. Important thing to remember in complex sentence is one is dependent sentence and another is independent sentence, and they are connected together by such words, any one of the word. Okay? Proceeding further, compound sentence. See, in compound sentence, the sentences are separate, but both are independent sentences. It means you can read them independently, but they are joined by some conjunctions like or, but, and, therefore, etc. 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 They are called as compound sentences. Okay? नहीं समझे? Okay, we'll take some examples so that you can understand. Coming to my examples, simple sentence. So what I told in simple sentence, there is no separate sentence. It is one sentence only. She dances gracefully. Gracefully means attractive dancing. Okay? She dances gracefully. This is the only one sentence, right? Not connected by any word. एक सेंटेंस में बात खत्म हो गई. So it is a simple sentence. I am so happy. Simple sentence. I love English very much. All these are examples of simple sentence. Now, second type, complex sentence. See, though I got up late, I was ready on time. What is the meaning of this? मैं लेट उठी फिर भी मैं टाइम पे गई, टाइम पे रेडी हुई, तैयार हुई. करेक्ट? नाउ हियर दो complex sentence contains though. I got up late. If I see, can I read this sentence independently? Though I got up late. ये पूरा है sentence? No, something is missing. कि though, when you read only this sentence, though I got up late, you easily understand this is not separate. It depends upon something. If I read this, I was ready on time. So I was ready on time, this was a separate sentence. Okay, so I can say this is an independent sentence जिसको किसी की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, right? I was ready on time. समझे? बट दो आई गॉट अप लेट, तो दो लगाने के बाद इसको थोड़ा इनकम्प्लीट हो गया. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन समथिंग. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट? द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. तो दिस इज विच टाइप? येस, इट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. तो एक है वो डिपेंडेंट और एक है वो इंडिपेंडेंट. इंडिपेंडेंट मतलब अकेला, जिसको किसी की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, एंड डिपेंडेंट मतलब जिसको किसी की ज़रूरत है. ओके, प्रोसीडिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. When dress is costly, girls buy less.